Do you have a ringing in your ears? The very first time I met a chiropractor, it was because I followed my stepdad to his appointment, and he had recently developed tinnitus, or a ringing in the ears. Now, he sought out a chiropractor who specialized in the upper neck up here, just like we do here at Precise Chiropractic. And after a series of adjustments, his hearing came right back to normal. So the reason why this happens is the top nerves that exit from the first, second, and third bones in the neck control our ears. So when we remove that pressure and allow those nerves to get that flow right back to the ears, your hearing can be restored, or that ringing can at least be diminished. Like and follow for more tips.